Lilisa!
Yay! Today we're going to have a super fun Bluey drawing episode!
That's right! Today, I'm going to stay up all night and not go to sleep.
Oh no, that's not a good idea.
Oh, well, maybe we can play with the kids for a bit. They'll probably fall asleep quickly.
Dad, can I play on the bed?
Okay, Bingo.
Oh, I think she could jump on the bed all night without sleeping.
Bingo, how about we play a hide-and-seek under the blanket game?
Yay! That sounds fun!
All right, let's cover up and play hide-and-seek. Remember, stay very still, Bingo.
I win! Nobody found me!
Oh no, she's even more awake than we are.
Mom, why do we need to sleep?
It's part of life's routine, sweetie.
Mom, then I'm going to change my routine.
Oh, how are you going to change it?
I'll play all day and all night too. Yay! Stay up all night, play all night.
Oh, that sounds pretty tiring, doesn't it?
No way, I won't get tired.
So, what do you want to play now? How about reading a book?
Okay, I also want to build puzzles, run around, and jump on the bed.
I have another idea. Mom and I will dress up as characters in a story.
Yay! I love playing dress up the most. Wow, really?
Then let's quickly dress up as some characters and go to sleep, okay?
Yes, I want to dress up as a beautiful princess.
Let's do Snow White. I'll be the king.
And I'll be Snow White.
Then I'll be the evil queen. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the prettiest of them all?
Not you, Queen. Snow White is the prettiest.
Oh no! I hate Snow White. I must banish her forever.
I need to find the 7 dwarfs for help. Oh, Bingo, you are the 7 dwarfs. You have to say, "Welcome to our home, Snow White." But I'm just one of them. Mom, can I invite 6 friends over to play?
Oh no, we might have to stay up all night playing with them.
Oh, Snow White, who are you? I'm a beautiful princess. I'm hiding from the evil queen. Snow White, do you want to play jumping on the bed? Sure, let's play together.
This is so fun!
I don't want to stop either.
All right, it's time for Snow White to eat the apple and go to sleep. Mirror, mirror, where is Snow White?
Oh, Snow White is jumping on the bed with the 7 dwarfs. No, we will never eat the apple, and we'll play forever.
This is going to be so much fun! Today we're having a super fun Bluey coloring episode.
That's right. Today my whole family is going on a beach trip. Are you curious? Of course. Hurry up and tell us, Bluey. It's going to be amazing. But I don't actually know where the beach is.
Easy, Bluey. The beach is very close. We just need to take one little drive and we'll be there.
There's golden sand there. Soft and squishy soft.
Yeah, it'll swallow your feet right up. So, what's your favorite thing to play at the beach, Bluey? playing mermaids. Do you know how to play?
Let me show you. You just lie down and cover your legs with sand.
And your legs turn into a mermaid tail right away.
Then you wave your arms like you're swimming in the ocean.
Oh my! I think we're about to have 2 mermaids on this beach.
Then can you build a castle for the mermaids, Dad?
Of course! I'll build the biggest sandcastle on the beach!
Oh, then what will you do, Chili?
I like going for a walk by myself. It's lovely, isn't it?
Yes! I love walking by myself too! I'm a mermaid with legs, and I wanted to show Mom a beautiful seashell I found.
Really? My. You walked quite a long way all by yourself.
Mom, do you know what I saw? First, there was a big flock of seagulls. There were so many, I was a little bit scared.
If you were scared, you could have run back to me.
But it was too far, so I had to keep going.
Wow, you're so brave, Bluey. If it were me, I wouldn't move at all.
Then the waves washed away Mom's footprints. But I found a squirting seashell and a tiny little crab.
That's awesome. I want to see tiny crabs too.
I even walked sideways like a crab.
Oh, that's so fun. What happened next, Bluey?
I ran really fast and saw a jellyfish, but it couldn't sting me.
Really? I'm so scared of jellyfish. You're so cool, Bluey.
I bet Bluey found even more amazing things.
I did. I saw a giant sandcastle. Maybe a beautiful mermaid used to live there, just like me. But then I saw a giant creature. It was way bigger than me.
A shark? Did you see a shark?
No, Bingo. A mermaid can't fight a shark. That would be very dangerous.
Then what did you see?
It was a huge pelican. I thought I couldn't get past it. But the way back was really far, and I didn't know what to do.
Oh, Bluey. I wish I could have helped you right then.
But it's okay. I'm the bravest mermaid with legs ever. I just closed my eyes and kept walking. And guess what? The pelican flew away.
What a tough journey to find Mom.
And finally, I found her. I showed Mom the seashell from the bravest mermaid with legs.
Oh, I want to be brave and walk along the beach by myself to meet a shark.
Today we're going to have a really fun Bluey drawing episode. Yay! Our whole family is going to the swimming pool, so keep watching.
Wow! Then I'll start by drawing Bingo first. Very soon she will open her eyes and start talking to us.
Oh my, it's so hot today. I feel very hot and a little tired.
Don't worry, I've brought a cool solution.
Oh, thank you, Bandit. This ice cream looks so delicious.
Eating ice cream on a hot day like this is the best.
Oh, Bandit, I think the ice cream is melting.
Oh no, we haven't even taken a bite yet.
Maybe it's just too hot today. We need to find a cooler solution.
Oh, everyone looks very hot. Don't worry, I've invented an amazing weather control machine. Just press a button on this remote and the weather will become cool instantly.
Oh, that sounds interesting. Let me try.
Oh no, Mommy! It's getting so hot.
I feel even hotter than before. Maybe I'll lose some weights during this heat wave.
Oh, I'm so sorry. It looks like I pressed the wrong button. Let me see. Ah, here it is. I'll press the cool wind button now.
Oh, that's wonderful! The weather is so cool now.
So cool.
Oh, this weather is very comfortable. I don't want to lose any weight at all.
Mommy, I have an idea. Can we play a weather forecast game?
Of course, Bluey. That's a wonderful idea. Being a weather forecast host sounds like a lot of fun. But if Bluey is the weather host, who will control the machine? Bingo, would you like to control the machine?
Yes, please.
All right, Bingo. I will show you how to use this remote. Look at this remote. It has many different buttons. First, when I say sunny weather, you press the button with the sun on it. Next, when I say cool weather, you press the button with the wind symbol. Finally, when I say cold weather, you press the button with the snowflake symbol. Okay, Bingo?
Okay.
Oh, I think today's weather is quite complicated. We should watch the weather forecast.
Hello, everyone. Today, Bluey will be your weather forecast host. Bingo, let's begin.
Okay.
First, in the morning, it will be very sunny, and we can go swimming right after we wake up. Bingo, why haven't you pressed the button yet? Bingo, please press it quickly. Next, at noon, the weather will be very cool.
Wow!
That's right! You did a great job, Bingo! Finally, in the evening, the weather will be very cold.
Oh, I think this is the most accurate weather forecast show ever.
And now, MC Bluey will give the weather forecast for the next few days. Next is sunny weather, rainy weather, windy weather, snowy weather, windy weather, rainy weather, snowy weather.
Oh my! This is the worst weather forecast show I've ever seen!